Hello, it's Jay here again, and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to begin by testing out what we've done so far, because we didn't get around to it in the last video. So I'll just hit play and we'll see if everything is working as it should. So
Round 1.
let's select our character.
Fight.
So here we can see the Special Move 3 script. We want to hit 20 here. And then it should play the same animation as what it plays in the character select. So let's see if I can quickly... And as you can see it does, it resets. And it's not affecting the other special moves. So what we've done is got it working so far. So now we need to actually begin to apply the damage. So I'm going to begin in stats. I'm going to copy one of these lines that we created for the other special moves. We'll paste that in and we'll give this a name. Let's say rapid hit damage. And with that we'll save that off and we'll then open the Black Robot scripts. Again, we'll copy one of the variables that we've already used for a previous special move, and I'm just going to change this to rapid hit damage. Again, making sure to update the comments. And now we'll come to the void start. Again, we'll copy one of the lines for the previous special moves. We'll paste that in and we'll swap out the variables. So obviously in this case slide damage becomes rapid hit damage. And we want it to equal the rapid hit damage from the main stat script. So let's just swap that out, and in the comments also. And let's save that off. Okay, with those two now saved off and closed, let's create a new C# script. So let's call this BRSP3 underscore damage. We'll just ignore that. And we'll open the SP2 damage script and we'll copy what we need to copy. Apologies if you can hear the traffic outside, but it is very hot again here at the moment. So okay, with them gone, let's carry on and we'll copy the variables. And in fact we only need 3 of these. I'll copy all 4 to begin with. Let's paste that in and we'll get rid of the current player position line. So we'd have the damage value We'll change that to a 3 for the rapid hit damage. And that's all the variables we need for now. So let's come to the void start. So let's have a look at what we need. Special move hit, let's have that line. And we're going to copy where we set the current damage to the black robot stats variable. Let's paste this in. And we'll change that to rapid hit damage. Let's paste that in. Let's save that off there, and we'll come now to the void update. So let's begin. We'll need this if block. We'll need the second if block. And again, I think that is all we shall need for now. So special move 2 active is obviously going to become special move 3 active. So let's change that out. And we also need to change that out there. And let's save that off. So that's going to be the basics of our script that we can copy. Now, a word of note, let's have a look. We have one red error. And of course I should have changed that to 3. Let's copy and paste that in. And let's save that off. Okay, that's the red error gone. So where you want to assign this is really going to depend on what you eventually want to use, whether this is going to be rapid fist movements or rapid leg movements. So obviously leg, you want to assign the damage script to the same script we use for all the kicks. And obviously if it's punch, the same again, assign it to the arm wherever in your model you've placed the other arm hit strike scripts. So I think we're going to leave it there for this lesson. We'll pick this up in the next lesson because, as I said, we've done all the basics now. We've tested it out. I'm still planning on actually not using the demo animation, but to have a flurry of punches for my special move. So we're going to have the animations running quick and switching between left and right. So we will be doing that, but very much later. I want to get everything working to begin with, then we can swap that out. So if you don't have an equivalent animation to my demo animation, please don't worry, it won't make a difference when it's all completed. But as I say, we'll leave it there for now. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.